So hello everybody, welcome to Crypto Pump, and this is the second video we're gonna talk about Bitcoin analysis. What is happening with Bitcoin right now? Let's analyze. So I have this a day time frame open and a monthly time frame open. So we're gonna discuss everything, right? So first of all, let's discuss about what is gonna be end up happening with Bitcoin, and nobody is talking about that. Which is over here you can see the spinning top. Okay, so over here you can see here is your spinning top. Okay, now about this spinning top, like nobody is even talking about the spinning top, right? Like nobody in the internet is actually talking about this spinning top. Now because of this spinning top, Bitcoin pricing may go down. Actually, do you know about Solana? Actually, what happened in Solana? Actually, in Solana, there was a spinning top and a hammer candle in the daytime frame after the Solana price started dumping. And one more thing I would like to convince you, that is, this is 100% fake out has been happened in the Bitcoin chart over here. Okay, yesterday we had made some analysis. We have drawn this Fibonacci. Okay, before I continue, I would like to show you Solana chart. Okay, let's go to Solana USD, let's go USDT dot perpetual. Okay, okay, let's go for top one. Okay, here we go. So we're gonna come to a daytime frame. Okay, actually it seems like we have to change the theme first of all. Sorry about that. So get back to it again. Okay. So here over here in Solana, I would like to convince you one major thing. What happened in Solana and how Solana pricing started decreasing. Okay. Okay. So as you know, guys, I'm in a daytime frame in Solana. What happened in Solana? Let's see. Actually, as you can see over here, look at here very clearly, guys. I will show you. This is a pattern. Do you know about something? This is a very strong pattern where a candle used to form, two candles used to form. This used to work as a demand and supply area over here. Like this is a kind of like a pattern on the end, which we can draw parallel channel along with this thing or rectangle. It's up to you, and we can just we can take this thing because this is a very strong demand and supply region. Okay, over here you can see one thing very clearly. As you can see over in this chart, as you can see, what is it? This is a spinning top. 100% this is a spinning top. Okay, you can clearly see on a Solana USDT chart, it's a spinning top. Okay, no problem. And after the spinning top, you can see a hammer candle. Spinning top plus hammer candle. Okay, which makes a all over very strong confirmation that market is gonna reverse. So in the Solana chart, what actually happened is, uh, okay, I'm just removing this now. Okay, so what didn't happen in Solana chart? First thing is first thing is your actually spinning top. Okay. Then second thing which happened with Solana, that is your inverted hammer. Okay, inverted hammer pump. Okay, we're gonna analyze everything in fundamentally also. So these two confirmation which give it that Solana pricing will go down. And one more thing, as you can see, this formation, this is a kind of like formation which is a kind of like chart pattern you can say, which is a upcoming reversal chart. Okay, pattern. Okay, upcoming reversal pattern. Okay, and by the way, it has one more thing I would like to convince you that this particular this particular candlestick psychology has built a kind of like a demand and supply routine. We can simply do one major thing is that we can draw all the way here to here zone, which is a demand, which can do a perfectly demand and supply region. And as you can see, two matchups like this region, okay, this region over here. This makes a very strong region, by the way. And by the way, one more thing I would like to tell you that is Solana has done a successful liquidity sweep. As you can see, what is a liquidity sweep? Now we'll understand what is a liquidity sweep. Now, whenever the price actually moves very rapidly and close above the level, that's we call as above the demand and supply region. That's we call it as a liquidity sweep. So over here you can see this candle. Okay, this sorry about that. This candle, a very strong candle, by the way, no problem. And some parallel gaps over here, but we are talking about the level which has been formed by this candle. Now, here, if we go on a weekly time frame, we can mark out some zones and area because this area seems to be, a kind of like much better region for demand and supply. We can come here and we can see over here. anything happening or not. We can just analyze it and mark it. Okay. Okay. Anyway, over here you can see what happened in Solana is a successfully liquidity sweep. A successful liquidity sweep has been happened in Solana, by the way. Like I would like to show you. As you can see, the candle actually moved all the way down to around 109, 108, and 109 maybe. And again it got up again and closed above this region. Now what's this region? This region is 0.618. This is a very strong region. One more thing I would like to tell you in this video, if I can tell you about chart patterns. Fibonacci is a very important concept which you can implement in trading. So this has given a successfully liquidity sweep. Okay, so that's why it's going bullish right now. Okay, but as you know, every single altcoin moves along with the Bitcoin. If anything happened with Bitcoin, Solana is gonna be also do the reaction thing. But if I come to Bitcoin, USDT, no, Bitcoin, USD, I'm going for the actual one, the coin. Okay, let's have my analysis here and just enabling in dark mode because okay, here we go. So over here, what is happening? Okay, so I've already shown you Solana chart. In the Solana chart, you guys also have seen like how strong in Bitcoin chart. As you can see, it seems like Bitcoin has done a successfully liquidity sweep because why liquidity sweep? Because it has formed something called as liquidity hunt. Why liquidity hunt has formed? Let's understand why the liquidity hunt has actually formed. The reason behind that liquidity hunt has been formed over here. Okay, so let me just remove this thing. Oh my, wait, guys, I forget anything. I deleted this thing off. So why the liquidity hunt actually is coming play? Okay, so liquidity hunt actually happens when there is a fake out and a fake retest. When there is a fake retracement and a fake out, that we called as a liquidity hunt. One thing, just to clear out every single retail traders, there's a fake breakout and market do not do a liquidity sweep. So if market do not do a liquidity sweep, but it's a breakout or breakdown has happened, but market haven't done any kind of sweep on the other hand. So at that point of time, what happens actually is that in liquidity price moves very rapidly and closes above the supported resistance or demand and supply region, but it haven't closed above the demand and supply region. So there will be a fake retracement. Now, after a fake retracement, a market will start going up. This will be called as liquidity hunt actually. And the liquidity sweep is something when a price moves very rapidly and break all the way through, but it closes above the level, which is called as liquidity sweep, and that's we call as liquidity hunt. Try to understand the difference between liquidity sweep and liquidity hunt, by the way. Both are different things. It happens same way like liquidity hunt cannot happen if liquidity sweep does not happen. Why? Because liquidity sweep is very important to happen before liquidity hunt. Kind of like liquidity sweep scenario where in this case liquidity sweep haven't happened, but it has happened because price has rapidly moved, which has given a lot more confidence that there will be upcoming liquidity hunt. That's the one major thing. And as you can see, liquidity hunt has came, and now the Bitcoin price is actually going up. By the way, okay. By the way, Bitcoin price is going up, but I don't know what's happening right now in the market. On a daily time frame, Bitcoin is showing a very bullish actually. Bitcoin is actually going up. Liquidity sweep has happened. Liquidity hunt has happened. Everything has actually happened. Right now, Bitcoin is going up. Everybody is talking about Bitcoin is go up now because it got rejected from Bitcoin. I don't know what they are actually doing. They're not even talking about demand and supply region. They're only talking about trend lines, by the way. I don't know what's happening with them actually. If we take to do some previous fair value gap calls, like this fair value gap, actually, one thing, as you can see, this is a very strong gradient, by the way, as you can see. Okay. In this hunt, market actually closed just right at here. That's crazy, right? Like anyways, on the monthly time frame, we are here at the monthly time frame. Here we can clearly see a spinning top candle. Okay, Now there's 100% spinning top candle is over here. As you can see, this one is a spinning top candle. Now because of this spinning top candle, it can go bearish by the way, and make sure there's a short chart. So not the short chart, that's a chart pattern actually. That's the reversal chart pattern is there. Spinning top is there, and market actually break all the way through. Nobody is talking about this thing in the Twitter and anywhere social media or any kind of inflation. Nobody is talking about this thing, by the way. I would like to tell you one major thing. That is, don't ignore the scenario. If if 20 if at the end of 23 days, if this particular candle closes somewhere like here or here, then the Bitcoin price is gonna keep on moving down. If it actually closes above this, if it closes like here, then the things would be different and we will be misunderstood. We can't understand the scenario only, like what's gonna be end up happening next. Because about something, we only work when the market give a reaction. If market has given a completely different reaction what we haven't expected, then we can't do anything. We can only analysis when the market is giving the exact reaction. If market closes over here, that's 100% bearish symbol. Market has given a reaction. Market is now going to go down. If market close right here, then market has given such reaction. Market actually closed above the demand and supply region. At this point of time, we also are going to be misunderstood by the way. But by the if we draw Fibonacci, no problem. We can draw Fibonacci. Like let's go for from this impulse. Okay, we're gonna draw all the way here to here. Here you can see this particular spinning top close above 0.236. Now, one major thing I would like to tell you that is listen carefully. I think what this is seems like a liquidity hunt. One thing, it actually seems like a liquidity hunt. Not gonna lie. Scenarios are like this that it feels like Bitcoin is doing some kind of liquidity hunt, by the way. I would like to tell you one major thing is I have spent a lot of time in the market and I have a very good experience on finding some markets. If I try it like this, I can say this is one of let's say this one is the region, okay? Okay, listen carefully. So what happens in liquidity hunt? Actually, liquid price moves very rapidly. It has happened. Price move all the way breaking up through. That's a very, price move very rapidly. And secondly, one thing, price started to give fake retracement. This is called as the second scenario of liquidity hunt. I guess, Bitcoin can make a liquidity hunt because the spinning top is 100% confirming me that Bitcoin is kind of like making a liquidity hunt. Now, after a liquidity hunt, Bitcoin can keep continuing heading towards the downwards. By the way, we are bullish in daytime frame, we are bearish in monthly time frame. This is very crazy. Yeah, exactly. It's very, it's being misunderstood right now what decision should be taken because everything is being misunderstood. Okay, guys, hope you like it. I'm gonna take some screenshot and send it to my Twitter saying that was happening by the way. By the way, sometime or someday I cannot create videos for some specific reason. So at that point of time, I may drop some Twitter, post over there, taking a screenshot of chat and posting on Twitter. Just go to Twitter, follow me on Twitter. If you have any problem, just DM me. Just text me through Telegram or through Twitter. I would love to hear from your side. Okay. Just text me if you have any query, any problem regarding any kind of chart analysis, or if you want to actually know more about this, please text me. I will be very happy to read your comments by the way. So that's it for today, guys. Hope you like my video, guys. Yeah, do follow me on Twitter and do text me on Telegram, by the way. So that's it for today, guys. Hope you like it. Thank you. Bye bye.